Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate that how we are going to create a new bucket and how to add the files or any data into that buckets. And this I'm going to showcase you or demonstrate you in two ways. Right, the first approach is very simple. I mean, for beginners, you can just practice it. Means just launch the browser and go to the Google Cloud Console, go to the cloud storage, and just a couple of clicks just you can create a bucket and upload the data in there. So basically this method is creating the bucket and adding the files to the bucket through GUI, that is graphical user interface, which is quite simple. But the major drawback here is most of the projects in real time are automated workflows, right? And this approach is not at all advisable in real time, in the real time projects. So to overcome this, we have to use the Google Cloud command line interface. It means whatever the things like creating a new bucket, adding the file or files into that bucket, whatever the thing we did through GUI, that is graphical user interface, we can able to do the same thing by passing just the command line from your local computer, right? So this is not that easy compared to the GUI, because we need to remember the commands and there needs a bit practice as well. But don't worry, I am definitely made this demo very simple so that the beginners can also understand and start practicing using the command line interface. So let's start with this video. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in previous sessions we have seen all the things of what is single region bucket, what is a bucket means, and what is an object, and we have seen what is single region, multi-region, and all the other aspects as well. So but now it's time to perform some hands-on so that we can directly go to Google Cloud and we will create a bucket and we will add an object to it. Okay, and this exercise we will be doing it in three ways. So first we will do using using GUI, means directly we are going to Google Cloud and we are going to create a bucket, and we will be just uploading one object into that bucket. And the same way we are going to do it using gcloud command line from my local, right, from my local computer. I will use this command line through SDK, GCP SDK, and then I will be creating a bucket and uploading it to the Google Cloud. But at that time I am creating a bucket as a multi-regional, guys, right? So these two, and the last one is we can do the same thing using client libraries. It means throughout the course, I will be using Python only. By using Python programming, we can able to create the bucket from my local computer, and I can able to upload the file, that is an object, into that bucket from my local computer directly to the Google Cloud storage bucket, guys. So in this session, in this video, we are just going to deal with this. This will be taking it into next video because it requires a bit time to set up, and there needs some explanation, some more explanation, so that means first time we are doing it, that's the reason it will take time. So for the consecutive series, then we can directly just push it, right? So first we'll create a bucket, add an object to that bucket, and we will do this using Google Cloud GUI, right? So let's move to this Google Cloud GUI, right? Now, so as soon as you log in, I hope we have created a video on this and we have discussed how to set up your account and how to start using Google Cloud Platform through GUI, right? And then this is the front page or the home page you will be getting as soon as your account is created successfully. Now what we are going to do is we are going to select our project. My current project is your cloud track, means I have created this project like we have seen that in the session where we have discussed like how to create account and project. For this I have selected your cloud truck as my project, and this project will be selected throughout all the hands-on, not only related to Google Cloud Storage but BigQuery and data flow and all the other stuffs which are part of this learning, right? Now let's focus. We will create a bucket and we will add a file through GUI. Let's see how to do that. We have to click on this hamburger menu from the left side here. You will see the menu options and one of the options would be Google Cloud Storage. You just click this, then it will take you to the storage overview page. You can call it as a home page or landing page, whichever you call comfortable it. That is one of the option, or else you can directly search like storage, something like this. This also take you to the same page, right? So now you have landed on the overview page. Now we'll see, and guys, there are so many options here like buckets, monitoring, settings, that we are not going to deal it right now because it's a never ending story, right? So now what we'll do, I will just click on create a bucket button. Then you will see a page which will give you an option to create a bucket. For this, I need to select what? I need to give my own bucket name, your cloud track 1, because we have learned through that this name should be unique and it should be unique globally, right? Let's click on continue and check. Yes, so this name I can create with this name bucket because this is not this is unique, and that too unique globally. Now choose where you want to store your data. They have written where you want to store your data. They have not written where you want to create your buckets, right? There is a difference. We have seen it. You just recall it, guys, right? Now we have multi-region. We have single region. See, we covered what is multi-region. We covered what is single region. Now I'm sure that you are in a position to understand what could be the dual region. I hope I no need to go in depth because we know multi, we know single. Dual means simple, two regions, that's it. Now I'm just selecting this region and I will selecting, these are the regions. You can select anything. Let me select like Mumbai, right? As soon as I select any regions, I can see the price here, and notice that this price may vary region to region, and I don't know why it changes region to regions. There could be a lot of things that it's could be out of our scope, right? Let's select the region, click on continue. Then there is auto class, and these are like what kind of the classes you want to set, right? So this is, we are going to see this in just couple of videos, guys. As of now, not needed. Just click continue and just click on create. It will ask for security aspect. We'll click on confirm. See, the main aim in this video is to make sure that you are able to create a bucket. That's all. Now my bucket is created here, and if I click on configuration, I can see which created, updated date, right? And this is the cloud console URL, this is GS util URL, right? Perfect. Now the important point is the location type. This is a region, means this is single region bucket, right? And we have things like life cycle, observability. This we are going to look into upcoming sessions, but now let's keep to the point. We have created a bucket, and now I want to add a object to this bucket. I can add single object, I can add multiple objects at a time, I can add lakhs of objects at a time, I can add video file, audio file, images, CSV, any data you say, right? So we have an upload option. Click on upload files. You can upload folder as well. Now I will just give this image just as a test image, and I will click on open. This is very simple. Just you are uploading the images to your Facebook or your social media. That's it. Nothing much. Okay. One file successfully uploaded. Now this is my container or a bucket, and this is single region bucket. And then in this container or a bucket, you have one object. What is that object name? Dog.jpg. Now if I want to see this image, I can directly click here, so that you can see the image which I have uploaded. Now this image or the data is not present in my local, it is stored somewhere in any of the storage location inside the Google, guys. I hope this is clear. Perfect. Now we'll do the same thing, creating a bucket, uploading a file into that bucket, but we are doing it through the cloud gcloud command line, right? So to do that, we need to install this Google Cloud SDK shell, and I have created a dedicated video like how to install or set up the SDK shell and how to do a one-time connection to your Google Cloud before you use this as the command line tool, right? So I will be sharing that link into the description. Please go through it once, right? It's only one-time setup, guys. Later you can do it extensively, right? Okay, perfect. Now we have seen how how we created a bucket and uploaded a file from GUI. Now it's time to do it with Google Cloud SDK, that is through command line, right? Okay, so this is the command line for creating a bucket like this, and very important point is this is for multi-region. We have created for single region, but here we are creating as a multi-regional. Let's see how this work here. Okay, I will explain this, no need to panic. Gcloud storage buckets create. This is the command line prompt. This is unique. I mean, there is no kind of logic like why they have written like this. This is unique. This is the way, right? And GS colon bucket name, it should be unique and it should be globally unique, right? Now comes the important part. Here, location equal to go to Asia. Inside Asia, select this region. This is what it is telling. But this is single region bucket. But I want to make this bucket, which I am going to create right now, a new one. I want this managed through multi-region. So what I will do, I will just take off this part. Now automatically this will become multi-region. What happens, before we have south one, east one, some region name, but now when a bucket is created, now I want to handle the data in that bucket in all the regions of Asia. This is what it means internally. If I write US, it means whichever the regions that are available in US, those region, whatever the data I am uploading in this particular bucket will be replicated, and that's the aim of multi-region. So you can select Europe or whatever. So I will select Asia because we are in Asia. It's not mandatory, but just for easy keeping, guys, right? Next is hyphen hyphen project. Our project ID, sorry, this is my project name. We should not give the project name. We should give the project ID. I will show you how to get the project ID. Okay, so let's go to CMD. I mean SDK. I will write gcloud storage, then buckets create. I want to create a bucket. I should give gs colon slashes, then I want to give my unique, globally unique bucket name. I will write your cloud trek -1, right? Okay, you are right. I should not create because this is already created. I should write cloud tech true or any name, any number, or you can change anything, but it should be globally unique. Okay, then I will write this symbol. Okay, just to make this as this come, the cursor should come to the new line. so that, see, if we don't put this right, we can just create everything in one line, but it won't look good for learning purpose. Then I should put location equal to Asia. Is spelling right? AISA. No, I think it's ASI, Asia. Sorry guys, I'm not good in that spelling. Okay. And location is Asia, and this is multi-region because we have not dedicatedly mentioned any of the region there, right? Perfect. Now let's go to the next line, and my project equal to my project ID. This is my project name. If you put this, you will end up in error. This is my project ID. So let's copy this and paste it over here, right? You should put project ID, not the project name. Now if I click on enter, then this should create a new bucket of your cloud trek-2 in this location, in this project. Now if I go back to my Google Cloud, if I just click on cloud storage, and if I click on the buckets from here, you can go anywhere, then I should see a new bucket is created. And the important catch here is this is multi-region of Asia, right? In Asia, assume that we have 10 regions, then the data which you insert in this container will be replicated across the 10 zones of those regions. We don't know, but your data is replicated across the regions. That's what we can say, right? So now that we have created a bucket, next step is we need to insert the image file or any file from your local to the newly created bucket, and for that this is the command line, right? So what is that? G cloud storage cp means copy path of the file. Okay, where is my file located? It is located in this dog file, is located in G drive. Okay, and then what is the name of the file? Dog.jpg. Extension and file number are extremely important. Space, in which bucket I need to copy this? From this location, copy to this another location. The another location is I want to insert that in this particular container or the bucket. You can directly write like this, gs colon, and give your bucket name. But if you want easy way, I will tell you, just go to the bucket, go to this configuration, and then you can just gsutil you can just copy this. Both are same, but this here, if you do this, there are less chances of doing spelling mistakes. So I will just copy this, and there we go. Now if I hit enter, then the image file will be copied from this particular path of my local, and that is uploaded to this particular storage, that is bucket. Now you can see files is getting uploaded. Once it is done, you will see the confirmation that it's been uploaded, guys. I don't know why it's taking. Yes, that is completed. You can upload n number of files. There is no limitation. I'm just giving one example. So now if I go back and if I click on this, I should see the file. Okay, see the information page is not out. Refresh to see the latest data. Even if that is such, yeah, see there it is come, your cloud trek data to. This is we have created through command line, and we have inserted or uploaded the image file through command line only. Now if you can see this download, see you can see the same image which is present in my local. I have uploaded that to Google Cloud. So that's all in this session, guys. In the next session we are going to see the same thing. We are going to achieve it by using client libraries, that is Python. This may take a bit time, because we are going to do some setups, so that yeah, that would be interesting and very helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and see you in the next session. Bye bye.